aren't there yet. And we have our buddies here, the police. That's pretty awesome. We drive around Irvine making sure that we're safe and that we drive the way we should to stay safe. The Irvine police is awesome, and they're pretty much invisible unless something bad happens. Then they come down and they help us out, which is awesome. I really appreciate that. So we're pretty close to Fukada. We just got a couple of lights, and then we're gonna have a left turn, I think. But pretty soon we're gonna drive by here. We're gonna drive by the village. Used to rent out there a few years ago. And now they've built all kinds of stuff around here, including this humongous Mazda building right here on the left. Of course, the Irvine Spectrum is also down there on the left. And they have lots of fun things to do over there, including you can ride one of those big wheels should you choose to. Anyway, here we are in beautiful Irvine, California. Listening to good music, having a good time. Here we go. Go when it's green. Go, guys, go. Don't go too hard, but do go. Speed limit is 50 miles an hour. Be safe, people, be safe. And we're gonna be driving towards a red light, so no point in pushing it too hard. And we don't need to go on the freeway here. Just need to get up this little ramp or this little bridge across to the other side. Make sure we stop at the red lights, as we should. Here we go. Can we get the next green? I don't know. It's really hit and miss as we drive by the Irvine Spectrum on our left. And just further here, they do have a really good pizza place. Whole Foods has really good pizza. And they have vegan options again, as one would expect. Come on, people, let's go. Wake up. Yeah. Gotta make a left turn here and then